Hi everyone!
Oh my god!
Some stories exist beyond words, which only nature can tell. The stars of today's video are rare phenomena occurring with a 1 in a billion chance in real life. Come along with us to discover amazing secrets that nature keeps hidden until the very last moment. These natural plunge pools in Colombia challenge our understanding. The pits are perfectly round, with depths ranging from a few centimeters to 2 meters. Visitors enjoy the thrill of sliding straight into the plunge pools. The trees caught fire by lightning strikes. The powerful electricity from the lightning made a lot of heat inside the tree, burning it up. This was one of the toughest natural wildfires to control. Spouts appeared at the same time, as if draining the water in the Gulf of Mexico. On the special day of a couple in Arizona, no one could have imagined that a dust storm would take center stage in their love story. In an instant, the haboob swept in, turning the romantic wedding day into a moment full of difficulties. This anomaly was a real testament to their love. They weathered the storm together, officially becoming husband and wife.
Arizona, I now pronounce you husband and wife. Congratulations, you became the bride.
Although dust devils in Arizona typically only last 30 minutes to a few hours, their strength and speed can reduce visibility to less than 1 meter in the blink of an eye. Amidst the chaos, the warmth of their smiles shone through, making their big day even more unforgettable.